Welcome to JH. AirportRecovery.com claims to be the knight in shining armor for your lost luggage, rental cars, and even cruise ship blunders. They promise that their trained agents handle everything from filing claims to physically tracking down your stuff with speed and efficiency. It sounds like a dream for the chronically forgetful, but let's be real. If a service promises to solve all your travel woes for a fee, it's usually just a creative way to empty your wallet. We took a stroll through Trustpilot, and let's just say the vibes are rancid. Most reviews are overwhelmingly negative, with users warning others to stay far away from Airport Recovery Services, or ARS. People report paying upfront only to receive a steady stream of useless, automated emails instead of their actual belongings. Apparently, these agents are about as helpful as a screen door on a submarine. Some users even managed to recover their items directly through the airport, while ARS was busy doing absolutely nothing but collecting fees. The site also boasts about being featured on heavy hitters like Fox, USA Today, and CNBC. However, after a little digging, we couldn't find a single credible article to back those claims up. It turns out, as seen on TV, might actually mean as seen in our wildest dreams. To make matters worse, there is zero information available about who actually runs this circus. No founder, no leadership, and absolutely no transparency, which is a massive red flag for any legitimate business. To top it all off, ARS has no social media presence whatsoever. In this day and age, a company without even a basic Facebook page is either a ghost or just a guy in a basement with a laptop. Given the fake media claims, the lack of accountability, and the trail of angry customers, this service looks less like a recovery firm and more like a total scam. Do yourself a favor and go straight to the official Airport Lost and Found. It's free, it's real, and it doesn't involve paying a middleman to ignore your emails. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips on how to avoid getting played.